Let's start with how to get into your student room. Your teacher might give you one of 3 ways to join. The first one is joining with a link or URL. Just click and it will take you right to the page where you enter your name and join. Join with a QR code or join code. Some teachers may choose to display a QR code in front of the class. Simply scan the QR code with your device's camera and you'll have access to the login screen of MagicStudent. If your teacher prefers to use a class code, follow these steps. First, go to student.magicschool.ai. If your school already has a MagicSchool account set up for you, you'll click Sign In. If not, click below where it says Click Here. From there, you'll just enter your first name and the code your teacher provides for you. Joining from Google Classroom. Open the assignment in Google Classroom and click the join link inside. And one final tip, anytime you're logging into MagicStudent, always make sure to use your real name so it's easy for your teacher to give you credit for your work. In the next part of this course, you'll learn how to use MagicSchool responsibly. We'll see you there. Before you enter a student room, you'll see a message that says, use MagicSchool responsibly. Let's break down what each part means so you know how to use it the right way. All right, number 1, your teacher can see your activity. Think of MagicSchool like talking in class. If you wouldn't say it out loud in front of your teacher and classmates, don't type it here. Keep it school appropriate and on task. Number 2, math answers aren't always right. AI can walk you through the steps and give you hints, but it doesn't always nail the final answer. So always double check your math just like you would when showing your work on a test. Number 3, talking to AI takes practice. The way you ask your question matters. If you just type help me, you probably won't get a very helpful answer. Be clear and specific, and if the first response doesn't help, try asking again in a different way. Number 4, AI is a helper, not a replacement. Think of MagicSchool like a coach or a tutor. It's here to guide you, not to do all the work for you. You'll learn the most when you use it to strengthen your own ideas. Number 5, check for bias or mistakes. Sometimes AI can sound really confident but still get things wrong. If you're looking up an important fact, double check it with a reliable source, like your textbook, your teacher, or a trusted website. And finally, protect your privacy. Never share personal details like your full name, address, phone number, or anything that could identify you. Keep it safe, just like you would on any website. And that's what it means to use MagicSchool responsibly. If you follow these guidelines, MagicSchool can be a powerful helper for your learning. Next up, we'll explore the student workspace in MagicStudent. This is where all your tools and activities live and where you'll start creating with AI. Exploring your workspace. Once you're in your student room, you'll see the tools your teacher has assigned. If your teacher has only given you one tool, your student room will open straight into that tool so you can start working right away. If your teacher has assigned multiple tools, you'll see a menu of options and you can choose the one you want to use. Here's how to use your tools. Open a tool, read what the AI has said, and then begin responding by typing into the chat box or speaking to it directly. When you create something, you'll notice 3 small icons right under your work. Click the small box icon to copy your work and paste it elsewhere. Instantly turn your work into another language with the translate button. You can also have the AI read your work out loud. At the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll also see a blue button for accessibility features to make your workspace easier to use. And if you prefer a different look, you can switch to dark mode using the toggle in the top right corner. And when you're ready to move on, switch tools. Click Magic Tools in the top left corner to go back and choose another tool. You can click Output History to see earlier conversations and pick up where you left off. And that's it for exploring your workspace. Now that you know your way around, you're ready to start creating and learning with MagicStudent.